Put down the A7 IV. Stop waiting for the A7 RV to drop in price. For months, we tracked the Whisper network, the most closely guarded secrets coming out of Japan. And today, the rumors are not just confirmed, they've been surpassed. Sony didn't give us an upgrade. They gave us a flagship killer. This is the Sony Alpha 7V, and if you shoot a single frame of photo or video, the game just changes forever. This camera is so advanced, it makes every previous generation look like a toy. Get ready to upgrade, because you won't be able to ignore this. The partially stacked sensor, the speed breakthrough. The A7 IV gave us 33 megapixels, but at the cost of speed. The A7V fixes this fundamental flaw with a brand new 33 megapixel partially stacked sensor. This is the leak that nobody saw coming in the base A7 line. Why is this huge? Because it delivers a 4.5 times faster sensor readout than the A7 IV. That means the notorious rolling shutter that plagued your video and electronic shutter photos vaporized. This speed, combined with the new Bion's XR2 processor, unlocks two monumental things: 30 frames per second blackout-free electronic shooting, and clean, full-frame 4K 60p. You are now shooting flagship speed in a mid-range body. The AI brain transplant, autofocus revolution. Forget the old real-time tracking. The A7V inherits the dedicated AI processing unit from the A7 RV. This isn't just improved autofocus, it's a sentient focusing system. The camera now understands the world. It doesn't just track eyes, it recognizes human, animal, bird, insect, car, train, and plane. Sources confirm a 30% improvement in real-time recognition AF speed, calculating focus at 60 times per second. Imagine shooting a high-speed car race. The camera locks onto the driver's helmet, ignores the guardrail, and holds focus through the steam and the crowd. This AI chip is the single biggest feature that makes the A7V feel like a budget A12. Video dominance, 7K oversampling and cooling. For the filmmakers, Sony delivered the knockout blow. No more 4K 60p crop. The A7V gives you stunning, 7K oversampled 4K 60 frames per second video from the full sensor width. This footage is cleaner, sharper, and boasts better noise characteristics than anything in its class. Need slow motion? 4K 120p is now here. Though it maintains a 1.5x Super 35 crop, it's a massive leap in quality and usability over the A7 IV. But here's the most critical leak for professionals. Thermal management is vastly improved. Say goodbye to overheating warnings. Beta testers were reporting 90 minutes of continuous 4K 60p recording at 25 degrees Celsius. The A7V is finally the camera you can trust on set. Ergonomics and workflow, the pro features. Sony listened to every single complaint. The A7V body maintains the great grip of the A7 IV, but with vital professional tweaks. The screen is a completely new 3.2-inch, 2.1 million dot, 4-axis multi-angle monitor. It can flip out like a vlogger camera and tilt up and down like a stills camera. This is the best